Are you ready? Stand by.
What's up sa inyo mga kabumbum, I'm a nurse, EMT by heart and a gun enthusiast. Welcome back to my channel. Meron tayong ipapress check na isang FA na Staccato STI Edge 2011. Ito ay chambered in 40 Smith & Wesson na built for competition and tactical applications. Dahil sa kanyang 5-inch match grade stainless bull barrel. Subukan natin. Firing! Ayun nga, na-try natin at out of the box, napakaganda niyang iputok dahil sa kanyang slick black finish, exceptional trigger and high capacity magazine. Staccato Edge 2011 is not only a top tier choice para sa competitive shooter but also a valuable addition to any firearm collection. Napakaganda niya at ito po ang STI Staccato. Goodbye!